This video will show you how to mount and detach the propellers. There are 2 propellers of marks and 2 unmarked propellers of EVO II. First, attach the 2 marked propellers to the marked motor mounting base. Press the propeller down into the mounting base, and then rotate it clockwise until it is secured. To remove, hold the motor and press the propeller down into the motor mounting base. Rotate it counterclockwise to detach it. Attaching the 2 unmarked propellers to the unmarked motor mounting bases, press the propeller down into the mounting base and rotate it counterclockwise to secure it. To remove, hold the motor and press the propeller down into the motor mounting base. Rotate it clockwise to detach it. Please unfold the propellers before flying. Thank you for watching.